Boy, I think you love it. What's this? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a lip shade swatch video of the Wet n Wild Megalast Catsuit, liquid catsuit, get it? Matte liquid lipstick. These are such an amazing drugstore option for a liquid lipstick that dries to a matte finish, and they're only $5. The amount of product you do get is 6 grams, which is pretty standard for a liquid lipstick. It has a nice small compact bullet and it is a doe foot applicator. So I'm going to be going through the shades with you guys, but first I just want to read a little bit of information on the Wet n Wild site. So currently it does sit at a 4.5 star rating and there's over 270 reviews. So what this is what glides on like butter, feels like a second skin and won't budge, our liquid catsuit matte lipstick. Made with glammed out superpowers, it goes on glossy, it transforms into a high pigmented matte finish with some serious staying power. Read our lips, this color is going nowhere. So the claim that they've made is it goes on glossy and transformed to a high pigmented matte finish. It's a lightweight formula and it has intense pigmentation without drying out the lips. What I really like about these lipsticks is actually the doe foot applicator. It has this really cool, like intense little divot in it, and it makes the application so easy. I've never used such an easy doe foot applicator before. Like, they should get an award for this thing because you can get the crispest lines. If you're someone who stays away from liquid lipstick just because it's so hard to get that perfect line, definitely give this a try because hands down, like, this is the easiest lipstick to apply I've ever applied in my life. So let's get into the swatches. First up is NUDIE PATOOTIE, and I think that's, first of all, such a cute name for a lipstick, and when I think of a nude, the perfect nude lipstick for a fair skin like myself, hi boy, this is perfect. I love this shade on me, especially for like a nude tone. I think it's really, really flattering. I love it. Boy. We have Rebel Rose here. Oh, you guys, you know how much I love a nice mauvey tone. This is beautiful, and yeah, just like the name says, Rebel Rose. It is a nice like tea rose shade, like a nice mauvey tone, super like a natural tone, and I think this would look beautiful on so many people. I love this one. I love. Here we have Nudist Peach, and I'm really appreciating how the names reflect what the actual shade is called. A lot of the times they don't, but I really appreciate that because this is like a peachy tone, but it's still like nearly a nude as well, but it's very peachy. I did find that maybe this one didn't have as much pigmentation as the others. Maybe I'm crazy. This one is Coral Corruption, and it is a nice warm medium coral, and I will say this, these lipsticks are so easy to apply on. Like, look at how crisp the lines are. Whoa. Such a pretty coral shade. Here we have Oh My Dolly, and this is a I would say bright and vibrant at the same time. I feel like I've been doing that a lot lately. It's a vibrant, very bright, hot, like doll pink, and it goes with the look, so I appreciate that. It is bright. Like, I don't know if it's coming off as bright on camera, but it is like nearly fluorescent. You don't come across a shade like that very often. It's bright. Nice to Fuchsia is up next, and again, like the name says, it's a fuchsia. It's a little bit deeper than your typical fuchsia. It's like borderline, like a nice raspberry tone, and I am feeling it. Again, like, look at these crisp lines. The doe foot applicator is just, it's so bomb. It's so bomb. This is like Bailey circa like 2014. This is such a per shade. This is, hello. This is Flame of the Game, and this is so orange. It's like a sunset orange with very strong yellow undertones to it. This reminds me of, okay, so like back in like, oh my gosh, I think I was in like grade, maybe it was like 2002, 2003, and the Avalanche truck just came out. It was like a new launch, and my parents wanted one, and my dad wanted in this like sunset orange shade, and this is exactly what that shade looked like. Fortunately, that shade didn't come with leather seats, so then we ended up getting a red one with leather seats, but this is exactly what that truck looked like, and it was so ugly. So that's what that reminds me of. But like on the lips, it's pretty. In a vehicle, not so much. Here we have Missy and Fierce, which I don't know what that is a reference to. Missy and Fierce. I have no idea. This is a true blue red. It's like borderline the most beautiful shade I've put on my lips. It is so nice, and I feel like it makes my teeth look so white as this wall. Look at that. Oh yeah. Absolutely gorgeous. They did this red really right. Last but certainly not least, we have Goth Topic, which is a deep vampy tone, and again, I love this. This is a very, we already called out 2014 Bailey. This is very 2015 Bailey. So I always love me a dark lipstick, but I feel like people don't want to talk to me when I wear dark lipsticks. Does anyone else get that? Like, I feel like when I have like a bright like lipstick or like a light or like bright lipstick on, like people want to talk to me like something like this. But then when I have something dark on, they're just like, maybe they're intimidated, I don't know. Those are all 9 shades that I have. I don't have all of the shades. I only have 9, unfortunately. But you got a little glimpse into it. I will say, are they comfortable? Yes. They do have a really vivid color. They're really highly pigmented. There was one in there that I was like, I don't think it has the highest pigmentation, but you could always, you know, prime your lips first. I will say though, it is, yes, it is comfortable on the lips, but reading the ingredients, there's no, usually there's like a jojoba oil or an avocado oil or some sort of oil within liquid lipsticks that keep your lips super hydrated, and I'm not finding in the ingredients list any type of oil. So just do be aware of that, and it does settle into your fine lines on your lips. It doesn't kind of fill that in and coat your lips with a beautiful, perfect like finish to it. So I mean, it's $5 though, and you cannot go wrong. Anyway, that is it for me for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm going to continue to wear this one because I love this on me. Like, don't get me wrong, they are super comfortable and they last all day long. It's just, I would have liked to see like some sort of oil in there to hydrate my lips as well, but you could always use a primer. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I'm trying to work right now. You come beside me here. Come beside me. Come on. No, over here. No, you go over here. Over here. There you go. Bye-bye. Get your bum. Get your bum out of here.